Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve home screen on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve the the problem of home screen on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Roblox and you can click. After that you'll enter to first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete or can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and you are watching.